Allan's whole thing was about work. It was the process that was the art.
Okay.
And so the whole, you worked.
Yeah. Physical labor.
Physical labor. It was mixed. Basically, there was a result of it. You know, you did the physical labor.
Yeah.
A job.
That's interesting. Job as subject matter for art.
Job is art. You know, art as life actually is what one of the titles of his books.
Oh, that sounds
art
appropriate.
As life.
That sounds appropriate.
It was one of the things he taught me.
Oh, okay.
You know, to see that creativity as a function of life, and that no matter what you do, if you do it well, you're an artist, really. You know, it's like the Balinese have no word for art.
Oh, really?
They only have a word for what you do well. Oh. And all the Balinese people do these things, you know.
Whatever it is,
whatever it is, doesn't matter. Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. Wow. Because I know a lot of people, think about fine art, and when you say the word fine, as I used to explain it, it really has a Latin root where it's more like an end in itself, not necessarily refined, although a lot of times that's kind of gotten the meaning, but its only purpose was to just simply be there. It wasn't really, there's no utilitarian aspect to it, as if it sort of implies that that's art, but something that, you use, or even something you do. That's interesting that you're talking about it in a whole different way in terms of that actually being considered art.
We're making art right now.